In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a new trial license for Jira software. Let's dive right in and make sure you have all the tools you need set up correctly for your project management needs. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to my.atlassian.com. This is your central hub for all things Atlassian, where you manage your licenses and software needs efficiently. Make sure you have your account credentials ready because you'll need those to sign in and access the licensing details. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the Licenses tab. This is the section where you oversee all your current licenses. Here is where we'll begin the process of creating a new trial license. In this section, you'll notice an option for a new trial license. Select that option, and it will guide you to start generating your new license. Now that you're in the right place to create a new trial license, you'll need to choose Jira software from the list of Atlassian products available. Jira is an essential tool for many teams, providing robust features for tracking and managing workflows. Opting for Jira software means you're equipping yourself with a versatile platform that supports a range of agile methodologies. After selecting Jira, you'll encounter a prompt asking you to choose a license type. For our purpose, select Jira software with a focus on the data center option. This choice is especially beneficial for those working in high-demand environments that require substantial support and reliability. The next step involves completing a form with specific information about your organization. Be ready to provide details, such as your organization's name and, if applicable, your server ID. This information is critical as it allows Atlassian to tailor the licensing to meet your organization's specific needs. With the form filled out, you're just a few steps away from obtaining your new license. Carefully review the terms of use to ensure everything is in order. Once you've done that, click on Generate License. This step finalizes the process, and the system will generate your unique license key. It's crucial to ensure all the information is accurate here to guarantee a smooth setup. Finally, once your new trial license key is generated, go ahead and copy it. You'll need to paste this key into your Jira Instances licensing section. This action activates your trial, setting you up to explore Jira software's capabilities during your trial period. Remember, navigating through the licensing process can initially seem a bit daunting, but by carefully following these steps, you are setting up your Jira environment efficiently to start managing your projects effectively. I hope this guide was helpful, and don't forget to stay tuned for more insightful tutorials on how you can maximize your use of Jira software.